So, funny thing here, camera, a HooToo, bought in 2014. I've kind of got it open right now because I want to show you this. So, here's the back of it. And we see WPS and we see TF. But, yeah, where's the slot for the TF? So in 2014, I open it up and I'm like, oh, well, maybe they shared this with another one that had a micro SD card. So I didn't do anything about it. You take it apart, you don't want to damage it, and looking at the wires, how many wires are in here, I mean, last thing you want to do is take all that apart and forget where it belongs, So today, I mean, I haven't been using this for a while. I use it as a backup, but today I thought, let's take it apart and see how it ticks. So I take it all the way apart. Oh, and what's this? There is the slot. I just had to share. So anybody that still has one of these cameras from 2014 and has been just using desktop software or some other means of recording, because you couldn't find a no hole for the slot, there's actually one there. So I doubt anybody's still using these. Again, this is a HooToo. It's heck, I don't remember. It's been a while since I used it. I think it's I don't want to show too much. Yeah, it doesn't say if it's. I believe it's 720p. I would be quite surprised if it's 1080p. But alright, thanks for watching. This is, yeah, the model number's right there. HTIP 211 HDP 2014. Let's see if I can show that without showing the serial number. Yeah, so 11/26/2014. Alright, thanks for watching. Till next time, be safe.